Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I carried in my travel makeup pouch. I wanted to do something, that will be helpful for you all when you're traveling. So this is my travel pouch. It's a really convenient round pouch. It's like that. I'll show you. It has a small pocket over here like this. What I really like about this pouch while traveling is that it really is very convenient to see all your products at one go, instead of some kind of a pouch where you have to put all your products onto a table or a belt or anywhere, and it becomes really difficult. So today I'm going to show you all. I recently had gone to Maldives for a vacation, and these are the stuff that I took. There are many stuff that I didn't need actually, but I just wanted to show you all what exactly I carried in each and every category. So for getting the CTM, that is the cleansing, toning, moisturizing part, and we'll directly start with the makeup that I took. So the first thing we'll see is a primer. I took these travel size Smashbox primer, which I got on my purchase from Nykaa, absolutely free. So these were like a very good option for just a 3 or 4 day travel, and you can just still see I have not used much. Then after the primer, I don't like foundations when I'm traveling, so I carried my LA Girl Pro BB cream. This is my all-time favorite BB cream, but I had carried another one in case I would get tan, and I needed like another shade in case it would look too whitish or something, or gray, it turns out to be gray on me. So I took this Nykaa Skin Tint Anti-Pollution Foundation. It is the Take Active Action formula. I really liked this foundation. This was the first time that I was going to use it, and I really liked it. Then this is the eyebrow palette that I took. I don't like pencils, I like powders because they are really like quick and everything. So, and I love the Europe Gold Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. This is my all-time favorite because it has this tiny spoolie and this angular brush, which makes the filling process really very easy. Then for setting spray, I didn't take any kind of a setting spray, but I took this L'Oreal UV Perfect Aquaessence City Face Mist. It's actually with SPF, and as you know that on the beach there was gonna be a lot of sun exposure, so I didn't want to carry a proper setting spray. So I thought this was a good option so that I could have like a double dose of sunscreen on my face beneath as well as above. Then talking about concealers, I took this MAC concealer palette, and I have an NC30, so this one is like perfect for concealing and correcting if I needed anything. And for an eyeshadow palette, I just carried the Smashbox. This one, it is like a glitter one, but we don't need it so much, so I could just use it as a highlight on the inner corners or just on your lid. That's it. It's really good and really easy to carry, compact. Now let's talk about blushers. For blushers, I took this L'Oreal Infallible High Impact Stick. This is one of my favorites. This is the shade Tangerine. As you can see, this is one of my favorite shades. And then I took this Benetint Go-Go Tint. This one is also again very nice, very very natural. It gives you like a natural glow kind of on your face. Then for mascara and kajal and eyebrow, and I carried this eyebrow mascara from Nykaa as well. That is the Oh My Brow eyebrow mascara. I really liked it. It was like giving me a slight coverage on my eye tint, and I really liked it. Like instead of when I don't want to use the powder one, I could just use this and groom my brows, and it was like good to go. For highlighters, I took these two. That is, one is the cream base, that is from YBP Shreya Jain collection. It's a really good cream base highlighter. It just looks very natural, very beautiful, sets in a jiffy and everything. And for the powdered one, I took the Mary Luminizer. This one is again very nice, not too much, and it was a very nice I got this actually absolutely free on my the Balm Cosmetics purchase, and this is so travel friendly, so compact. I just love it. And for the liner option, I took this Calabar Ultimate Eyeliner. It's a felt liner. It's very pigmented, very nice. I just loved it. Then for a kajal, I took the Smashbox Always On Gel eyeliner. I got this actually also free on my purchase. This is like a travel size kajal. You can use it for your smoky eyes as a kajal, as a liner, anything. It's super pigmented, super soft. It just glides like a dream. I just loved it. Then for the mascara, I took the Bad Girl Bang Benefit Mascara. These all products I was using for the first time, and I really liked it, and I was so glad that I carried them with me. The mascara is absolutely fantastic. I just loved it. It was so, you know, lengthening and everything. Wow, it was just very nice. And for contour, I took the Hoola Benefits contour powder. One second, I'll just open and show you. And I really liked it. I feel it's a little light. It's not too dark, but then it's okay. I wanted to carry a contour powder, and I felt that you get a miniature size as well, which is very easy when you're traveling. I feel you should have like a mini version or travel version of all your cosmetics and just keep it in one pouch, and then it becomes very easy to carry when you're traveling and anything. And I took one beauty blender. I cleaned it, but still now a little bit dirty. And for lipsticks, I took these 4 shades of lipsticks that I took. This is the Colourpop shade Move Better, and this is one of my favorites. I got this in the miniature side absolutely free on my Huda purchase, so I just kept it for my travel thing only. This is the shade Gossip Girl. Then this was the first time that I was going to use the Huda Beauty Demi Matte. I took this shade Game Changer. I really liked it. Very, like, you know, a little glossy and little smooth type of a finish it has, and I really liked it. Then I took the Smashbox shade as well. This was the first time that I was gonna try it. It's the shade Spoiler Alert. These are the swatches. Can you see the Demi Matte? Still so shiny and so, you know, glossy. Really liked it. And then for eye pencils, this is the lip liner that I took, the Huda Beauty Trendsetter lip contour pencil. This is again a very nice nude shade, which would go with all these actually colors. Not this one, but still, I used to work it like that. Then I took a green and a blue pencil, eye pencils. In case I don't want to use like an eyeliner or something, I just used color pencils, and I used it. This was the Blue Lagoon. Then I took the Palladio shadow and liner herbal crayon. It's in the shade, I don't know the shade actually, but it's a really nice grayish color, as you can see. Then I took a white eyeliner pencil as well. This is from Kralin. And then let's go to the brushes which I took. I took this Huda Beauty foundation brush, which is a very nice brush to, you know, you know, it just blends so seamlessly. I didn't need a beauty blender, you know, it just blended so well. Look at it, it's so dense. Wow, I just loved it. Then I took one compact or one blusher brush, 2-in-1. Then I took one eyeshadow brush, which I didn't use actually. And then I took one highlighter fan brush, so it's a small brush. Then I took one spoolie. And I took a sharpener as well. It's really dirty. Anyway, so these were the things. And I took one lashes as well, which I didn't actually use it. I took it for my birthday night, but I didn't use it. So these are the stuff that I took. Though I did not use like a few stuff from them, like the MAC concealer palette I didn't use. And then almost all I think I used. That's it for now, and if you want, you can check out more of my IGTV videos. I'll be uploading like really soon. You can buy this bag from Amazon. It's like a travel makeup pouch, I think so. It has this really cute zip on it, so I stored my beauty blender in it so that it doesn't get dirty with all these cosmetics kind of thing. And then has a pouch here, which is actually of no use, but still. That's it guys, thanks for watching.